Hello there, and how are you doing today? Today, I'm going to be talking about your IDs. Different kind of IDs, okay, that we use in different places for verification, for identification. All right, especially in our banks, all right, when we're opening an account or when we're upgrading our accounts, all right. So I want to make emphasis on this one. The year just started; it's a new year, all right, and many times these IDs have expiration dates, except the maybe voter's card. If you're using the voter's card, the PVC. All right, I don't even know if they allow it in some banks these days. All right, but I know the popular ones are your driver's license, your NIN card, that's your NIN. Not so many have the card, but they have the slip where you have your NIN number, and your international passport. All right, so check the dates of those IDs to check if they have expired or they are close to expiration, so that you can quickly renew them. Because if they do expire, many times the bank will send you reminders, but after a while they could even block your account. Not because anything is wrong, but they want you to come to the bank so that you can ask why. And when you ask why, they'll say it's because of this. So until you update it, they wouldn't, remove the lane on your account. All right. So instead of waiting for that, you may be expecting something huge. All right. Let the ID not go and disturb the something huge you're expecting. All right. So check if your cards have expired or they are close to expiration, so that you can make adequate arrangement for their replacement or their updating or their renewal, so that you don't fall into this. And beyond the bank using, there are other places that you use your cards. All right, so that you don't get there and they check your card and say that, oh, your card has expired. It could be embarrassing. It could even disqualify you sometimes. So all right, put it in place. Go and renew your expired card. Be it NIN doesn't expire, so if you have that one, you got it covered maybe eternally. PVC doesn't expire in case some banks accept that or you're using that. But if you're using driver's license or international passport, chances are they have expiration dates. So check to make sure they've not expired and you can use them. Another thing you can also do, remember your ATM cards also, they do expire. So check if they've expired or they are close to the expiration date, so that you don't get caught when you don't where you least expect it. All right, apart from your identification cards, check your ATM cards, your debit cards, your MasterCard, Visa, Verb, and all that, so that if they are close to expiration, you don't have to wait for them to expire. You can go to the bank and tell them that you want another card. So you can even get another card before that one expires. All right, they'll just destroy that one and trade away, or some people even tell them that they can't find it again and they'll get another card, so that you don't get stuck. If you're traveling, maybe outside the country and all that, you can do that before you go, so that by the time you return, your card is still valid. All right, hope this was of value to you. All right, so click on the subscribe channel if you've not subscribed. Click on the like button if you just got reminded or you think this is good, and also share to others. All right, until next time, keep having a profitable day. See you in my next video.